daughter's high school. She's going to work the counter a little bit.
Trolley. See the trolley? What's that? Look.
Yeah. Oh, you're all right.
And he had the bathroom there. That's really good. Yeah, that's actually how they do it. When they go after stop the red light. Oh yeah, one display standing at the piano. Let's go look.
Just looking for.
He hates those. The real ones. He got some by his house.
This is one final reminder for anyone still interested in being a part of Thomas the Tank Engine film. Going out of the auditorium, the movie begins in promptly 5 minutes. Once again, our Thomas the Tank Engine film, which only runs about an hour, will begin in 5 minutes in the auditorium. Follow the crowd down to the other end of the building, and we'll start soon.
Thought I would just do a little train video, change of pace at my daughter's high school. It's a huge event. We worked the counter today, back in the kitchen area, help the school system. Anybody likes trains, this would be the place to be. Dale Earnhardt, Bill Lionel. Geez, they even have them down in the gym. I didn't realize that. It's kind of cool. First time I've been at this event. Not huge into trains, but like every kid, most kids had them. Little train track system down there. Pretty cool. He's got I don't know if he's got trains running on that or not. Kind of doesn't look like it. They're just displaying his caseware and train track system stuff, and yeah, it's kind of cool. That's the train you can ride for little kids. I guess it's had problems or something. Roundhouse. Kind of neat, you know. Well, this would be kind of a compilation called the Roundhouse. That's really cool. They're from instruments. They're sculptures, train engine sculptures. That's pretty cool. They used instrument parts. Let's check that one out. Wow, that's pretty slick.
Pretty neat, aren't they, Bryce?
No kidding. Oops. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They're instruments, from horns and stuff like that.
Now it looks better in the picture.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Wow, look at that. And horns, French horns. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's a lot of work goes into that, you know. Yeah, this is N. This is N scale. Tiny. Yeah. N is small. Narrow gauge, I call it.
There's little people.
Yeah. A little town. Got a little mountain scene over there, you know. It's kind of cool. I'll go over and see the little house with a pond. Kind of cool, you know. Oh, here comes a big one here. It's a big train here that's pulling. Look at that. I want to see that. It's got two engines. No, he's only got one engine pulling it. I'll be darned. and a caboose. And that's pretty cool. That's how many cars I think small. One engine with the caboose.
$29.
29 cars.
Not including the two.
Wow. Including the caboose?
Not. Oh yeah, I included everything. No,
Wow.
not the two black cards. So it's pretty much 31. Including.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's cool.
Thought I would,
Oh, that's heavy.
little lifesavers tank car. That's kind of cool.
There's a guy.
Yeah, state of Maine. No, that was I think a political car. I don't know, 92 special edition. Wow. That's those the moving screen cars. They hit the little. There's a crane car. A couple of them.
Yeah, it's in the box.
Yeah.
I believe it does, yeah. I got a little T on there that tells me it's been tested.
Okay.
Yeah, those are light cars there. That's kind of cool. Well, they have your train buffs out there. Just a little short few videos.
I don't know.